One of the principles that you can teach kindergarten kids, apart from cardinality and one-on-one correspondence, that is now counting numbers, is the conservation of cardinality, whereby students need to know or encompass the fact that the principle of cardinality is attained no matter the order in which a student or a learner can count. So, our topic is under mathematics and statistics. So, you click under simulation, you click mathematics and statistics. So, under the same, you go under filter. So, basically, the principle of conservation of cardinality and successor principle, which I like to cover in this lesson, both are under mathematics and statistics. So, you can see the boxes are checked. Then you can add elementary school. You can check this box because the content is aimed at kindergarten kids. So under conservation of cardinality and successor, I'll go with the number play. This is because number play, first of all, its screen is attractive, especially to kids. They like to play with the numbers and the objects on the screen. And the whole simulation is interactive because it gives, as you can see, from the teaching resource, uh, you can see we have where a student can see how the number is written, both in words, its digits, and it also has two play areas. So we'll dive right in and I'll show you how to use the number play in explaining to the students the conservation of cardinality and also how uh, successor principle works when it comes to number play. So I'd go with the 20 screen because it has a larger number than the 10 screen. Here numbers are arranged all the way from 0 to 10. So under conservation of cardinality, the main thing you'd want your learners to know is to count and give you a total. So you can hide the screen where the total number is. You can hide it that way. Then you can add a number of, let's say, puppies on the screen. So you'd want your learners to count and tell you how many puppies are on the screen. So you can arrange them in that manner by clicking on the grids on both sides. So basically, under the conservation of cardinality, the students need to know whatever order you count your puppies. Whoever starts from this puppy goes all the way, counting the number of puppies is the same. The number will still remain the same if a student starts from the last puppy, counting all the way to the first puppy. So after the student maybe gives you an answer, you can click on the total box to see if they've gotten the correct answer. So the whole screen is interactive because students who still have an issue in counting numbers can have a more fun way of maybe using puppies or using apples or butterflies or balls. So you can add the 10 frame to show you the arrangement of the objects. You can go as far as 15 or 17 and let students count how many objects or how many balls reflect on the right play area and tell you the total. So they can always check to see if they're right or wrong. So I'd recommend the 20s number play screen because you can always know the pronunciation of the digit or of the number. You can always see at how the number is supposed to be written, and you can hide and unhide some of the features so that you can be able to let students use the board as much as or the screen as much as they want or they see fit. So you can see you can adjust, you can add the Titan frame. In this case, you can use the buttons to reduce the numbers. So basically, you can see if you have nine 9, the number that comes after 9 is 10, the number that comes after 10 is 11. And the more you click, the more it shows you the principle, the standard order, and also the cardinality, emphasizing the fact that all the numbers are in order and for a specific reason. And it also emphasizes the fact that there is conservation of cardinality and the successor principle as well. So down here, you can always screenshot your work. You can check for updates. You can report a problem, or you can always click here to go back to the original or to the main web, the PhET website.